Namaskar, I am Mrs. Nutan Patwardhan and I teach the master students and senior diploma students in Nalanda Nritya Kala Mahavidyalaya. It is a matter of a great respect and pride for me to impart my knowledge in Nalanda Vedashala. I am thankful to Dr. Padma Bhushan Kanakreji and Principal Umar Eleji and all those connected to this wonderful activity of Vedashala like Vaidahi Lal and Hati. My topic is a journey as a choreographer trained at Nalanda and exploration of That and Ahmed in Kathak. I had heard about Nalanda even before I came to live Mumbai in 1997. By then, I already had done a Visharad in dance and had performed at the national level in various places. I was a Doordarshan graded artist also, but in my quest to learn more and keep learning always, I took admission for the diploma in Kathak and then I completed my masters in dance in Nalanda. Nalanda has given me a tremendous amount of experience on stage, choreography, teaching, learning techniques, and has honed my skills and not only as a dancer but made me a complete artist today. Coming to my topic, I will speak about in two parts. First, choreography and then That and Ahmed. What is choreography? In simple words, choreography is the sequence of steps and movements in dance. Choros in Greek means dancing in unison, and graphy is for right in English. Together they make the word choreography. Sometimes I dream of flowers at night, and these flowers have different colors and different patterns and create an abstract formation like ikebana, a Japanese for flower arrangement. And sometimes these flowers appear in an orderly format, creating specific shapes that I can define. So, choreography to me is just like that. It could be abstract or easily defined. In Nalanda, I have been really fortunate to get the experience of doing different choreographies under the able guidance of Kanak Madam ji. Each choreography has been different in meanings, means content, music, stage, etc. Nalanda has given us a exposure and imbibed in us that our self-reading and self-knowledge of dance should be perfect. And then only then will the aesthetic of choreography will be clear. Learning under Shamatai, who was a visiting professor in Nalanda, broadened my view of performances, Tallaya, formations, and utilization of stage. And I started applying some of those principles in my own choreographies. As a choreographer, I feel that dance technique and the knowledge of the dancer, your own style also, is extremely important. The representation of dancers should be good. Only then can the meanings of choreography will be clear. Read between the lines, understand the dhvani is what Kanak Madam always says. And hence, when I choreograph, I also try to show the meaning the way it is exploring the shabdartha, then vakyartha, padartha, and most difficult bhavartha. But I, as a choreographer, also portray the meaning differently, all within the limits of classical dance and trying to reach the philosophical aspect of it. For example, when I got a chance through Nalanda to choreograph a sequence of depicting a revolutionary movement, I didn't always show the revolt as a battle, as a fight between the dancers. I depicted it through the strong dance movement and some moments with the dancing landing on the floor. I showed the struggle, the victory, the defeat only through body actions. But the message was conveyed equally well. In a choreography of female infanticide that we Nalanda dancers performed at Rashtrapati Bhavan, I showed the child, a solo dancer, struggling surrounded by groups of dancers who depicted the mother's womb. I learned to keep the balance between traditional concept and modern concept in Nalanda. keeping in mind all age groups who come to watch our performances. Under Shamatai, I learned to make notation of every piece. For that, the knowledge of tal has to be sound. In composition, the right amount of footwork, the right zarab at the right place, and the conclusion with a proper tihai requires a study of tal. I tried to work extensively on it. In my choreographies, I try to utilize space and try to create shapes, not just as circles or squares. Some things that you learn from your gurus as a solo dancers have to be choreographed on stage in a group. Hence, the whole outlook changes. For example, Brijadhara. Brijadhara can be shown by a soloist through different actions using vinyasa. But in a group, I can show the same thing through different dancers, each dancer doing different actions. Slowly, the entire Vrindavan picturesque view comes in front of you. Nalanda has always invited great gurus to impart knowledge. In the year 2005, I got a chance to learn under Guru Munna Shuklaji. He taught us many different traditional compositions of Lucknow Gharanas, many different thumris and bhajans. I recall I started looking at thumris and bhajans with a new perspectives and developed a subtlety and calmness in my abhinaya. I remember sitting through the entire choreography of Navarasa in Kathak with Munna Shukla ji and Kanak Madam ji. It was conceptualized and choreographed by Kanak Madam and portraying the rasas through the character of Rama, who is a Dhirodatta Purush, showing the different emotions, keeping the character of Ram intact is challenging. And I got a great amount of learning from this, which must have helped me in my further choreographies later on. In Nalanda, I got a chance to choreograph both adults and kids. Some of them total amateurs in dance. Doing a choreography with people who are totally new to the concept of dance is a challenge. I keep the compositions as simple as it can be and focus on synchronizations and steps on students here. With mature dancers, of course, I do little more experiments. Choreographing every year for Nalanda Nrityotsav is both a learning and fulfilling experience. Every year at the gathering, I had to choreograph different topics of three different levels of the students. I have been very fortunate to choreograph Kathak pieces for many Nalanda productions like Prithvi Anandini, Mirabai, Lakshmi, and Durga under the able guidance of Kanak Madam, and Vithala under the guidance of Shamatai. All the choreographies have been conceptualized by Kanak Madam herself. Sitting with her developing the music and tal for each character has always helped me in many ways. Experiences in the recording studios were also very enriching. Developing every character in Katha for 40 minutes was indeed a challenge. And for every character, Kanak Madam would give me books for her library to read to understand the depth of each character. I have been very fortunate to create a project of Ashtanaika in Kathak under the able guidance of course, Madam. She had asked me to choreograph different Naikas on different shlokas from Natya Shastra for Nalanda records. Even though the nature and the mood of the Naikas and the shlokas were different, she had asked me to keep the tal same and simple for every shlokas. When the tal is simple, the nuances of each expression is understood very well. She had told me that. I sat like a sincere student watching her portrait of Naikas from Mohiniyattam, which she had choreographed and tried to implement a few actions in Kathak. This experience taught me a lot. Recently, I got an opportunity to work on Shri Krishna Karnamrit project, which was choreographed by Guru Rajendra Gangani ji. The concept was, of course, Kanak Madam ji. In the process, I got to learn different aspects of Guruji's point of view of Lord Krishna. Guruji, being a Gharanedar, choreographed the entire music in one day, given different ragas to different shlokas of Lord Krishna's. And in the process, I learned a lot while getting my students to perform this on stage. Although choreography is a dancer's part, the thoughts about costume is the choreographer's job too, because the costumes enhance the choreography. It cannot show a dancer doing Virod Kankita or Proshit Bhartruka Naika wearing red, orange, or any bright colors. Male dancers look best in light colors. I have always learnt about eye makeup, base, hairstyle, and jewelry in Nalanda. I have learnt about lights also, both for the stage performance as well as the photography sessions. I also learned that a choreographer should have adequate knowledge of when to use lights like spotlights, dim lights, post sequence, colored lights, etc. As a choreographer, one should be aware of all the aspects that I have spoken about in addition to the choreography of the dance itself. Thought in simple word is the graceful way to stand. Like we say in Hindi, kya thought mein khadi hai. Thought is a word that could be derived from there. To learn thought, you need a few years of experience in dance because thought involves small detailed movements of anga, pratyanga, and upanga. Your command of laikari tal has to be clear and also the anga should be. Thought is an open-ended composition and could be developed infinitely according to the mood of the dancer. So many dancers do thought by showing just small gestures, harkates, and land on some, but it still looks very beautiful. I have been lucky that I have got exposed to learn thoughts of all gharanas from all gharanedar gurus themselves. Shamatai, in one of her discussion, had described thought so beautifully. She said, there is a house and you can enter it via four doors. You can choose to enter it via any doors, but you have to make sure you enter the house properly. Here house is sub, the Anand window, while four doors are different bits of tal. Thought in each gharana is different. In Banaras gharana, Sitara Didi ji, Gopi Krishna ji used to do it in a certain way. Some of the Jaipur gharana's thoughts are like uthans. Within each gharana itself, every dancer's treatment of thought is different. For example, a few dancers perform thought with nikas, while others analyze the beats in a complicated manner with the calculation of half, one-fourth, three-fourth matras and land on some. Late Damayanti Joshi ji was very famous for her thought and she would perform thought in Ati Vilambit lay. Hence her thought would go on for 64 matras. So every dancer explores thought according to his or her mood at that time and maturity because it involves on the spot thinking. Generally, the first thought that we teach could be very basic, involving only numbers. Let me present this basic thought which teaches students to be patient and for every matra they need to have their nazar involved. 10, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, followed by Khat and again have a Utan in between. The Harkat could start from 13 matra and we can go calculating down and allow the calculations to start from ninth matra, then fifth matra, keeping the ending words of the calculation same. In Jaipur Gharana, Thaat is exactly like Utthar. Let me present a popular Jaipur Gharana Thaat, which is little tricky in counting. I will also present its Joda, which describes Lord Krishna. Nowadays, dancers perform Thaat even in Madhyalaya. The time given to the dancers to present Nritta part of the performance could be less, so dancers start Thaat from Madhyalaya also. Now I am going to show you the Thaat in Madhyalaya. In the first half, I have given importance to Takka Dha Nadha Nadha, first Dha, and second half I have given importance to Takka Dha Nadha Nadha, without of course losing the subtlety or thera of the Thaat.
Ding, dong, duck and top, top, top. Top, ding, ding, dong, duck and top, top, top. Thỉnh thọ ở thọ, thỉnh thỉnh thọ, thọ tinh tinh tóc, tác cật tác cật tác kịch cật tác cật tác cật tác kịch cật tác cật tác kịch cật tác cật tác kịch tác kịch cật tác kịch cật tác kịch cật thọ thọ tích thọ thọ thỉnh thỉnh thọ thỉnh thỉnh thọ thọ tích tác kịch cật tác kịch cật thọ thọ tích thọ tác kịch cật tác kịch cật thọ thọ tích thọ tác kịch cật tác kịch cật thọ thọ tích itu i tu ti cho thọ ti cho thọ tin tin cho thọ.
Now let me present a thought in Rupak Tal which describes Lord Shiva.
Thỉnh đạo thỉnh đạo tinh tỉnh đạo thỉnh đạo tác cái thọ 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 tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ thì thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích tích. Thỉnh nó các cái thọ 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 tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ thì thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích tích. Các cái thọ 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 tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ thì thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích thọ thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ thì thọ tích thọ. Các cái thọ 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 tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ sáu thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ sáu thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích thọ cái thọ tích tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ tích. Các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ sáu các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ sáu các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ thọ các cái tí mỹ tích đủ tìm cho bát phật chỉ sáu.
Amad is Persian word that means beginning. It is the first dance piece involving a composition of pure Kathak words. In Amad, we always show a pair of ta thai tat or ta thai thai tat and a thai tat or a thai thai tat. Every gharana again has its own way of doing Amad. Some of them they do in Vilambit Lay, some of them they do prefer to be in Madhya Laya. I am performing Amad in a very simple way. It looks simple but requires a lot of control on your body. And the same Amad I will present it in Radha Krishna Jodi.
Tóc đã thể hiện chỉ tớ. Đã thể hiện chỉ tớ. Thì thế tất tất thì tất tất thì tất thì tất tỏ. Thì chỉ tớ. Thì chỉ tớ. Thì tất tất thì tất tất thì tất tất tỏ.
You can see the Laikari involved in this particular Amad in Vilambit Lay.
Thì ra chờ là vẫn là số là có thì chỉ có ở thì chỉ có thì đó thì thế đó thì thế đó thì đó thì tất tất đó thì thế đó thì đó thì tất tất đó thì đó thì đó thì tất tất đó thì
In every tal, the composition of Amad should always be such that the aesthetic of tal is not disturbed. I will show one Amad in Tal Jap Tal and count it so we'll understand what I mean. Thin, now, thin, now, thin, now, thin, now, ta, thay, ta, thay, thay, ta, thay, thay, ta, thay, 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 ta, thay, thay tất tao thay tất tao thay tất tao.
đó thì nó đó thì tờ đó thì đó thì tất thì tờ đó thì đó thì tất thì tất đó thì đó thì tất thì tất đó thì đó thì tất thì tất đó thì thầy đất, thầy đất, thầy.
I will now present an Amad in Tal Chautal, in which we always maintain the aesthetic of 12 matras.
Thọ, thọ, thì, tọ, thì, thọ, thì, tọ, thì, tọ, đi, tầm, thầy, tất, tọ, thầy, tọ, tọ, thì, tất, họ, thầy, tất, họ, thầy, tọ, họ, thì, tất, tầm, thầy, tọ, thì, tất, họ, thì, tất, tọ, thì, tất, họ, thầy, họ, thì, tất, tọ, thì, tất, họ, thì, tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, 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 nhất thấy tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, 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 nhất thấy tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, tọ, thầy, thấy tất, tọ, tọ, tọ.
I have presented my topics, a journey as a choreographer, trained at Nalanda and exploration Thaat and Amad in Kathak in a very simple way. I couldn't wear my ghungroos due to the limitations of the lockdown, as I have performed at home. There is a restriction on the noise levels in our society. I hope it has been a useful session and you have enjoyed my presentation.